I'm here. What did you say? What do you mean you're... How are you gonna cancel? She just hung up. This pain is just joking with me right now. How are you gonna make me come here if you're not gonna come? I didn't order anything. I didn't order anything.
Well, I did. You know, a pretty woman like you should not be raising her voice in public.
I don't remember starting a conversation with you.
Amanda, what's your name?
Emmy, now, I'm sorry, okay? A friend of mine came into town and needed my assistance. I just had to help. I'm sorry.
I don't understand. Why would you make me plan a ladies' night if you knew you wouldn't show up? You kept me waiting.
Baby girl, that's what I'm saying. I'm sorry now. I apologize. See, anything at all, just name it. I'll make it up to you.
I mean, last I checked, I was the bestie, right? I didn't know someone else had taken the place.
I didn't tell you he was my best friend. I just said, well, he's very special and I couldn't tell him no, so.
Okay. So I'm guessing this he must be an ex or he's somebody you want to hook up with. I totally understand. Why? I understand.
It's not like that now. El, why are you doing like this? I've apologized. See, to God who made me. You see, I tried your number. I tried and tried. For some reason, the network was just not in my favor. And then when you called, I could barely
I beg. Cut that bull crap of network. No worry now. First to do, you know the pain. No worry. Wano. No wala.
Oh, no.
No worry. Stalking me?
You again. So have you gotten over what got you angry last night?
It's none of your business.
Just take it easy, Tiger. Can I help you out with
No.
that? Easy, I'm just trying to be friendly.
I don't need your help.
Everybody can see that you need help. I'm just trying to be friendly, that's all. It's no big deal. Hey. Okay, all right. So I know we got off on the wrong foot, but can I at least just help you? Well, that's the least I can do. Thank you.
Please come in. I hope you didn't find it too difficult locating the place.
No, it was all right.
What would you like to have? What do I
I'm
have
okay,
for you?
nothing.
Are you sure?
Fine, yeah.
Thank you, girl.
Don't. It's fine.
Hi.
Anyway, Sam, meet my best friend, Elma. Elma, my friend, he just came in yesterday, Sam.
Nice to meet you.
Is the reason you kept me waiting?
I'm sorry, I just came
I
back.
wasn't talking to you. Never mind.
Wait, why do I have a feeling that you both know each other?
Olivia,
And then I noticed that she was shocked when she saw you. Why was she shocked when she...
I will call you later, okay? I'll call you.
So actually, this is my guy I told you about,
Okay.
Sam.
Yeah.
He's a tech guy. He can actually handle all your projects. Sam?
Yeah.
Meet Anderson.
Yeah. Pleased to meet you, my man.
Likewise, bro.
Very good friend of mine.
I hope we'll do a lot of business together.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What time?
Is it not you again? You just make decisions. You don't even think of other people, and you expect people to just follow you with your decisions.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I beg, don't suffocate me.
Oh, yes. I was... Child, waiting you buy come. Where in the...
Hey. Relax yourself.
Sorry.
This is for you.
Thank you, your lordship. No, but... This is a lot. Where did you get it from?
Well, I went on a date.
Wait. When did you start keeping this kind of information away from me? And who's this lucky guy?
I met him out. The day you stood me up. Mm-hmm. And honestly, I don't know, he seems really nice. I think I like him.
I know you like him.
You
like him. That's why you don't think you like him. You like him. You should even be telling me thank you because you were not for me vex, Abby. That you should be thanking me because you met him through...
And that doesn't mean you should stand me up.
Anyway, is that our new boyfriend?
Maybe. But I have to get to know him first. What's happening?
You like him.
Hey, but at least, you know, is he... Okay, get out.
Since you
I
smiling
went
from
shopping.
cheek to cheek.
I
Please.
went shopping. Look. I'm telling you.
He got you all of this?
Yes.
So how's your friend, Elma?
She's fine, actually. She went out with her boyfriend.
A boyfriend? She's got a boyfriend.
Yes, why? Do you think a hot chick like her will be single?
Well, I was kind of hoping she was still single.
Why do you like her?
Isn't it obvious?
Well, it's a pity she's taken. Baby girl.
Alpha.
Where to? Where are you going looking all hot and stuff?
I have a date.
With who? Our boyfriend.
No, wait.
What?
He has not earned that title yet. No, he has not.
But he's doing all the things to earn the title.
But not yet.
Nah, so. I hear you.
That must be him.
Great. I
That's
get to
him.
meet him and see if it's worth it. Oh yeah.
Please
Pack
be
it. No,
nice.
just leave it. I'll pack it for you.
Okay. Okay. Just go and help me. I'll be done in a minute.
Hi.
Not bad.
Excuse me.
Hi, I'm Olivia, Elma's best friend, and you must be Anderson.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
I see you both have met each other.
Oh yes. Now I see who the man that has stolen my best friend's heart is.
Ollie.
What Okay, all I meant to say was Anderson is a cool guy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Why? Because she said you're cool.
Charlie, let's go.
Bye. Bring something, no. Elma is coming up with your back again. Hey, baby girl. How far now? What's going on?
I'm mad at you.
Uh-uh.
Why would you tell Anderson such rubbish?
What are you talking about?
You told him he stole my heart. From when to when? I haven't even considered dating the guy yet.
Babe, what is wrong with you? That dude is a hot specimen. You should hold him tight.
I will not date him because he's a hot specimen. Babes, I need to get to know him first.
See, he looks responsible and rich. What else do you want?
I don't need his money. I'm an accountant and I work in one of the biggest manufacturing companies. I have my own money. I need to know the guy first now.
Mm-hmm. How much do you make, Seth? How much do you make? Babe, you need a guy that can take care of you, okay? And spoil you silly.
Ollie, just stop. I need to get to know this guy first. I'm content, okay? Please don't try this thing again. No. I was very embarrassing now.
Yeah, no vex. No vex. I got carried away. Sorry.
You carried away.
Sorry. Ah.
Okay, then, babe.
What's your buy?
I don't buy anything.
I not tell you me you buy something. Come.
Hey, cutie.
What are you doing here?
Can this be my girlfriend?
Your girlfriend is not here.
I am staring at her right now.
You're delusional.
Come on. Don't be like that now. Come on, baby. I miss you.
Baby. I'm not your baby.
Well, the last time I checked, we never broke up.
Maybe you also can't remember waking up one morning and disappearing into thin air, not letting me know where you were. But guess what? I don't care. That was many years ago when we didn't know what we wanted.
I know what I want. I know I want you.
In your dreams.
Come on, I want you.
Don't touch me. Why are you...
What the hell is going on?
We're just having a conversation, you know.
What stupid conversation were you having that warrants you holding her so intimately? No, wait. Did you forget that she had a boyfriend? I'm very certain you did not forget she had a boyfriend, right? Forget.
Okay, Ollie.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Frolicking with a guy you only just met. You know you have a boyfriend.
Okay,
Please keep your hands away from my face.
Calm down, I beg. Cool down.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing is going on between Sam and I.
Like I was blind.
Are you... I beg,
please.
This rubbish. Excuse me.
Don't push me, oh. Don't push me. If he's man now, you know how to follow.
You shouldn't be talking to your friend.
Don't tell me how I shouldn't talk to my friend, okay?
All right, I can see you're pissed off. Okay, so I'll just leave you, give you time to calm down, and I'll see you later. Okay?
Whatever. What? How can you even be just... So if I didn't come in, that's how Anyway.
Nice place.
Thank you. Oh, you look amazing.
Thank you. So, tell me, what are we celebrating?
Us. I really like you, Alma. I think you're very beautiful and I want us to be an item.
An item?
Yeah.
Listen, you're a really nice guy, all right? You're nice. And to be honest, I like you too, but don't you think we're moving too fast?
No, I'm a guy who goes for what he wants. I want you. Frankly speaking, I'm surprised you're still single.
Oh well, I did break up with my ex and I just wanted to be alone for a while.
Is he blind? How can a man let a woman like you go?
It's complicated. What about you?
Well, I had a girlfriend. But yeah, she ran off with some other guy and got married, so hey.
Or maybe she thought you would never marry her.
Well, I wasn't ready. That's the truth. And I'm happy, actually, that I wasn't, because I wouldn't have met you.
Okay, that's enough. Enough with the flattering, just stop.
I'm not flattering you, it's the truth. It's the truth.
Hey,
Is that how you just barge into people's houses
calm
now?
down. There's no need to be sarcastic. I mean, the door wasn't locked. I just walked in. You saw me, right?
What do you want?
The last time I was here, we didn't get a chance to talk.
There's nothing to talk about.
Come on, babes. We haven't finished business.
What unfinished business? Okay, so you're suddenly interested in me again because you met me coincidentally?
It's no coincidence. I've been looking for you. I found out that Olivia was your best friend, and we actually we did service together. And I knew you were living with her, so I came to visit.
You're causing some serious misunderstanding between my friend and I don't like it. You need to stop coming here to see me.
I don't really care if this makes Olivia uncomfortable. I want to see you. I came to see you.
She has feelings for you.
Well, we're just friends, nothing more.
Yeah, but she doesn't know that. Listen, I have a boyfriend, all right? So you need to stop bugging me.
Look, I don't care about that. I want you back. I'm not going to stop until I get you.
Why am I thinking about him? Nothing can happen between us, so why am I thinking?
I noticed that Sam has been coming here often to see you. Are you into him?
That's a stupid question. You know I'm in a relationship.
In a relationship? Do I look stupid to you? No, do I look stupid to you? You think I don't know there's something going on between the two of you? Why can't you just leave him the hell alone? Leave him alone and focus on Anderson. Is that too difficult for you? Okay, is it a crime that I came and introduced him to you?
Why are you here?
Is it a crime? Must you put your eyes in things that are not yours?
When you learn how to talk or have a conversation.
I will ignore your condescending tone. You see, this will be the last time I'll come and tell you to leave him alone, okay? You have your boyfriend, but no, you refuse. You want to just put your eyes in the one that is not yours. I won't come here again. No. I won't come here again. This will be the last time.
So I'm thinking of expanding, opening a chain of businesses.
What kind of business were you thinking of?
Superstores, selling customized goods.
And it's my job to make sure it stands out from the others.
I always stand out. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Yes, this is Sam. It's a good friend of mine.
Hi.
Hi, I'll just wait downstairs.
Okay. So I've been speaking to some manufacturing companies. They're going to be manufacturing goods for the superstores.
Yeah, I want to ease myself. Can I use the...
Yeah, sure. The restroom.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
The restroom is downstairs.
Yeah.
What are you doing with him?
What do you mean?
I care about you.
I'm with Anderson.
Baby girl.
How far?
How you there?
I do.
Where are you coming from?
Anderson's place. I went to. You know, I saw Sam there. I didn't even know they knew each other.
Sam.
Mm-hmm.
What was he doing there?
I don't know.
How do you know each other?
I didn't bother to ask, to be honest.
Well, Anderson is into tech, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Sam is a private investigator.
Mm-hmm.
So at some point they must have done business together.
Honestly, I don't care. I'm tired.
Have you seen the beauty on Sam's status?
I don't have any business with Sam's status.
Anyway, she's his niece, and today's her birthday. I only wish you could celebrate it with her, Sha.
Why?
Babe, story for another day, don't worry. I'll tell you. Go bath.
I'm coming.
I rang the bell this time.
Welcome, Sam.
Hey, baby girl.
Okay, Sam, you need to stop with that, all right? Please, just sit down.
Yeah.
I heard about your niece. That must be so hard. I'm sorry.
Yeah. That's why I worry about you. I need you to be careful.
I am.
I can't lose you, you know.
Okay, is there something you're not telling me? You don't want to lose me? Be careful. What is going on?
I just need you to be careful because if anything happens to you, I never forgive myself.
Nothing will happen. Listen, you don't have to care for me. All right? I can take care of myself. Plus, my man can take care of me. Don't worry, I'm fine.
I just need you to be safe.
Sure.
And to take very good care of yourself.
Okay.
I gotta run along.
All right. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.
Ah, Sam.
Be good.
All right.
So, I know, right?
So have you apologized to your friend after how you spoke to her the last time?
I'm seated right in front of you. Yet you don't see me. You only have eyes for her.
Olivia, come on. You are like a sister to me. I don't have feelings to you like that. Come on.
But you see her like that, despite the fact that she has a boyfriend.
Calm down.
Please don't tell me to calm down, okay? Wait, what is it that she has that I don't?
Look, Alma and I, we have history. I was her first love.
Now I get it.
Babes.
You lying whistle. So you've been sleeping with him behind my back, right?
What the hell are you talking about?
Please, 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 don't just form ignorance. Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking. You've been sleeping with Sam. You and Sam were lovers. Yes or no? Why did you keep the information away from me?
Well, you didn't give me the chance to tell you.
Lies from the pit of hell. You wanted to rekindle old flames. Is that not what you wanted to do? You wanted to keep sleeping with him while you kept your boyfriend lying.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Do not talk to me in such condescending manner.
Oh, what will happen? What?
You're pushing me.
Will you beat me? What would you do? Lying whistle. What would you do?
Just move.
Ha! Did you touch me? Babe, did you touch me? Oh, you want to steal my man now? You want to beat me on top, Abby? Nonsense.
I sent you an email with the information you requested for. Did you get it?
No, I haven't checked my email. I've been really busy. But tell me, how much would it cost? I send the money to your account so you can acquire the equipment.
All necessary information of price and the account to be sent was actually in an email. Once payment is made, then delivery and installation will take place immediately.
Okay. All right, that's beautiful. So I'll check the email and I'll get back to you.
Okay.
How is David? It's been a while. I haven't been able to reach him. His phone's been,
David is fine. I mean, he went to his fiance's village to do their introduction. They're getting married,
That's true. That's true. He mentioned that actually.
Yeah, he'll be back sometime next week though.
Yeah. Okay.
You're gonna have me anything to drink, or I'm just gonna sit down and look at you. Are you still seeing him?
How is that any of your business?
You didn't heed my advice after what I told you?
I don't understand this. You're warning me against your own friend. Why?
It's for your own good. And besides, I doubt if you have feelings for him.
Oh, well, I do.
You sure about that?
No, I mean, yes. Yes, of course. I have feelings for Anderson.
You have a funny way of showing that. Try this. You're still in love with me, aren't you? Don't deny it.
Hey, what is it? Now, is it that you have cotton bud in your ear and you cannot hear? Can you just leave this man alone and go and be with your man? Oliver, is it a problem?
Oliver, will you just stop?
Stop what? Stop what? Why are you not telling her to stop it? Why are you telling me to stop it? She's just a pretender. Do you get it? She wants to eat her cake and have it. Okay, fine.
I've heard enough. Just excuse me.
Hey, you, where do you think you're going to? You want to follow her? You want to go and continue what you started upstairs, Abby? What?
Let's leave this house before I lose my mind. So crazy. Problem today, problem tomorrow. What is it? Get out of this place.
Why are you being unreasonable?
I'm not being unreasonable, okay? I'm not the one being unreasonable. The two of you are hiding things from me.
Why will you do that? You need to go back and apologize to her.
Apologize for what? To who? Well, she lost all her respect the moment she started selling herself to you.
Olivia.
Sam.
Why now?
No, if I had not stopped you, you would have followed her, B. My friend, stay where you are. Drop the hand.
Where are you going?
Leave him.
You're going to be with him.
Save Johnny. My friend, I say shifts.
You see what you've caused?
What did I cause?
You see what you've caused?
What did I cause?
You see what you've caused?
She's going to be with her boyfriend when she should be in the first place. I don't know why it's peppering you. Are you going to drink something? She has gone, no. She has entered her Uber and she has left. Cannot even meet her there again. Nonsense. Hello? Yeah, babe. Who? Who now? Head of department. Oh, babe, just madam, why should that man they follow me now? Just find something and tell her I went to the field to market some insurance to some mega company. Or which paperwork again? Babe, help me sort it out, eh? Yes. Thank you. Thank you, okay. I can't walk there. Can't think that every time.
Okay.
Let's see what you got.
There you go, boy.
And
there you go. My man, how fun? How did the introduction go now?
Yeah, we thank God. We thank God. Actually, traditional marriage has been fixed for last Sunday in September. I can't wait to tie the knot with that girl.
Ooh, my man is really in love. Ha! I hope you feel the same way too, though.
Yes, of course.
You know, I don't believe in love, though. Love is for simps.
I thought you were head over heels with your girl.
Well, you know, we just started dating, and still.
Damn.
Okay, still early days, actually. So I'm preparing to tame her to be submissive to my sexual desires.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, I'm an alpha male, and I like to tame women no matter how fierce they appear to be.
Okay, wait until you fall in love. You will do anything to keep her.
Like I said before, Dave, I don't believe in love is for simps.
That's what a man who can get a real woman to fall in love with him says. I mean, love is a beautiful thing.
Guy, if you know one fall in love, no problem. But don't force your opinion on others.
If I didn't know you, David, I would think you were a simp. But I know you. You're a real man. See, no woman deserves to be treated specially. They don't want the stress. That's the truth.
So the woman you're with, you don't think she's worth the stress?
Oh, no, she is special, but she's not worth the stress yet. Until I can tame her to submit to me totally.
Anderson, don't allow this your ego affect your relationship.
I treat my woman like the queen she is. Huh? But my ego makes her respect me more. Anyway, Sam, what about you? Anybody special in your life?
Yes. And I will destroy any man who tries to hurt her.
Sam, I thought you were single.
Well, not for long, I guess. I hope.
Wait. You mean you be running show behind me?
Can I just play? Is it okay? Can I play? Watch the shot. Say, hey,
You both get a room.
What I want to do?
All right, just get a room.
Babe, head of department was so pissed today that you didn't show up for work. And there are some files you are supposed to work on.
May she free me now. May she just free me.
There were some documents you were supposed to attend to. I had to do them for you. I covered up. And the worst part is I lied that you're in field.
Thank you.
Why did you not come to work today?
Babe, see, I was just exhausted. I was stressed, okay? I needed to take a break.
You went clubbing, right?
Which club? Now work won't finish me. I guys relax.
Wow. Now wow. Begging. By the way, where is your friend? Elma. I've not seen her around.
She should be fine.
What do you mean she should be fine? You guys don't stay together anymore.
I beg rest now. You don't ask. I said she should be fine. She will be fine where she is. Thanks for coming to check up on me.
Oh, Verso, now me chook mouth for matter wey no concern me.
Thank you.
Are you coming to work tomorrow?
I'll be there. By the special grace.
Why is he always sneaking out? I mean, where is he always sneaking out to? maybe he needs some peace and quiet. I'll ask him about it later. If you don't stop calling me baby, I will stop picking your calls. You know you're the reason my friend and I are having issues. Oh, whatever. What's up? Why are you calling?
Just wanted to know if you're okay.
Of course, I'm fine. You know today's Anderson's birthday? Yeah, of course, I know you know that. I'm trying to plan a surprise get together. I don't know, maybe you could call one or two of his friends and you can come over.
I'm not in town.
Really? Where are you?
It doesn't matter. You can kill yourself. What you do.
Yeah. Where's Anderson? Anyway, let me just...
Babe, me, I'm thinking of resigning. I'm thinking of resigning because all these targets they keep giving us is unnecessary now. How are we supposed to meet these unrealistic targets? I'm tired though.
See who is complaining. You that have a whole lot of clients, you're meeting your targets back to back. So what would you say to someone like me that is barely trying to survive? Really?
Babe, I beg. You're doing so well. So well. Don't let anybody come and pressure you. I'm just tired of the pressure, that's all.
Well, the pay and the commission is good. I would advise you not to resign.
I don't tire. All I want to do now is just go for a vacation and forget work. Is that too much to ask?
Why don't you apply for a leave? Or better still, vacation leave or something.
I've exhausted my leave for the year.
Now, apply for a sick leave.
Ha! Auntie, you bad though.
Yes, now, there is always a way out for everything. The street is crazy, man.
That's
What
okay.
about Emma? I've been coming here. I've not seen her.
You no get her number.
Answer, Joe.
See, please now. It's okay. I don't want to talk about her. She's a backstabbing friend, please. Do you want anything to drink?
I'm here to ask him about it. Or should I just go and see for myself? Anderson would never do this. Why? Anderson is... No, Anderson couldn't have done this. See, Anderson is innocent. Why would you...
Makes it deceptive.
He's a handsome demon. Please save me. Okay. Please save me. Okay. I'll help you, but
do I? How do I do? Just hold on. Oh my God. No. Just try, please. I can't believe Anderson would do this. Just. Sorry. I'm sorry. No. Shh. Do you want to get in here? One step. Let's go. Shh. Another step. Oh! Shh. Do this. All right. Let's go. We're almost there. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry. Let's go. We're almost there. No, we're almost there. Just go. Just a few more steps. That's it. Just go.
Hello?
Hi, Olivia.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm where you left me.
How am I showing a surprise birthday party for Anderson? Can you go over and assist her?
Oh, wait. Hold on. So you're calling me because Elma is throwing a surprise party for Anderson and I should go and help her. Help her do what? Wash plates? See, guy, please, let this be the last time you will call me for anything concerning her. Am I clear? I be like a house girl. These people don't even rate me. Aha! Oh, wow. See, finish. I don't even sleep again.
Okay, we're almost there. It's okay. We're almost there. Just one more step. Yes, one more step. We're almost there. I'm sorry. We're almost there. Please, let's just do this. Anderson.
And what do you think you're doing?
How? What? Anderson.
You've just crossed the line.
She needs to get to a hospital.
Just crossed the line.
Anderson!
When was the last time you heard from your friend?
Wait, did you come here to see me or talk about Elma?
I've been trying to call her for a couple of days. She's not picking up her call. I mean, it's kind of weird.
There's nothing weird about it. Maybe she's finally decided to receive sense and cut you off.
All right, well, could you just stop, okay? She's not picking up her call. Her phone is switched off. That is kind of odd.
There's nothing odd about it. If you ask me, she's probably going to be with her boyfriend and they are, having their honeymoon. Maybe we should ask her.
Olivia, will you just stop? Huh? I've told you I see her as my sister. Please don't overstep again.
But I'm not your sister.
Try and call her now.
Problem day.
Hey, wear these. They're mine, and I think they'll look good on you. Okay. You look so beautiful in my top.
Anderson, please, can you just let me go?
Go where? This is your house. You're my future wife.
You're sick.
Oh, I'm perfectly fine.
No, you're not. You locked up an innocent lady for God knows how long. And you say you're okay?
No, she was my girlfriend before I met you. I was thinking of letting her go when you officially replaced her.
You're not okay. You need help.
Aren't you curious to hear her story?
No. Why would I want to hear a sick story of how you've kept an innocent lady locked up against her will? Why?
I'm going to tell you anyway, so you don't make the same mistake.
Oh my God.
Now, I had a beautiful relationship with a girl, Valentina. And everything was going well until... Wait. Just wait.
What's that for?
Oh, you've not been satisfying me sexually, so I want to teach you how.
BDSM.
That's not the way it works. I tell you what to do and you do it. You don't ask questions, all right?
That is absurd. I want out.
Hey. Strip.
No. Leave me be. Anderson! What are you doing? Anderson, no!
Oh, baby. Are you crying? Listen, I'm not going to lock you up if you cooperate.
You kept an innocent girl locked up. You will never go unpunished.
Nothing will happen to me. I can make her disappear without a trace. And if you're stubborn, the same fate will await you.
You monster. You will meet your end.
Don't worry. I'll be gentle with you. You're my girl.
I would rather die than succumb to this madness. Don't touch me!
Oh, you better get used to it. I own you now.
You're sick.
I'm untouchable.
Yeah, this son of a guy, have you been able to gather any incriminating evidence against him?
So far from what I've seen, he's clean. But, there's something fishy about him. My investigative hunch, never wrong.
Okay. Do let me know if you find anything concrete.
Yeah. Anyway, how are things?
Things have not been the same since you left the force.
Come on. There are a lot of capable hands there.
Not as efficient as you do.
You're just used to working with me, that's all. So, how's the family though?
Family is fine. I hope you will settle down soon.
Well, hopefully. Hopefully.
Please do.
Yeah. Hey, look at you. I brought you some goodies because I want you to enjoy yourself.
I don't want goodies. I just want to go home. Please.
Baby, if only you know how much I love you, how much I cherish you. I will literally do anything for you. That's why I want to make you mine completely.
This is not how to show love. You're getting it all wrong. You can't tie me against my will.
I know what you feel. I know how you feel about me. That's why I want to do those things to you. Just stop resisting. Submit to me.
A love relationship is consensual. Both parties have to agree. If you truly love me and you want me to reciprocate, you have to let me go. Please.
Don't do this. Don't cry. You're breaking my heart. Please. Stop.
Where? Anderson!
Babe, what's up?
See, I'm not okay at all. I'm not okay. I'm angry.
What's happening?
Is it not that girl? Was an Elma. She stole my man.
Elma. I'm sorry, but why would she do that to you?
Because she's selfish. That is why. Okay, I introduced her to a guy that I had a crush on. Coincidentally, he happens to be her ex. Okay, now they've gone behind my back to rekindle their relationship. Can you imagine?
Slow down. Did you tell her that you have a crush on this guy?
Please, that's not the point. That's not the point at all. The point is that she stole my man. Despite the fact that she has a boyfriend. Now my man only has eyes for her. What's that?
I thought you said he's your crush. So when did he become your man?
He friend-zoned me because of her.
I really doubt it's because of it.
Newscaster, you doubt. Whose side are you on?
The truth. Can't you see what's in front of you?
I can see.
This story is not adding up. Go make peace with
Please,
your friend.
please don't get me. In fact, you know what? Thank you. Come and go.
Olivia.
You heard me. You are not deaf. Stand up and leave the house.
What has come over you?
I will throw you out too. Oh yeah, outside.
Hey, I got you some food. Oh, isn't this romantic? Now, so, I need you to eat so that you can have strength for tonight.
That will be over my dead body.
Trust me, you're going to really like this and you'll ask for more, so here you go.
Hey, Anderson, my man.
Yeah. Sam, hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. What are you?
I tried to call you, but my battery is dead.
Oh.
I was in the vicinity. My car broke down somewhere, and I was gonna go to the hotel, but I thought, hey, my man Anderson, he lives around the corner, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Listen, if it's not convenient, I could leave.
No. Not at all. Please.
Okay.
Please. No.
I mean, I don't really want to, inconvenience you, especially if your woman is around.
No. I'm actually alone. And even if she was, she wouldn't have issues with it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You sure? I mean, I could go to a hotel.
No. Stay. It's fine. It's fine. Do I get you anything to drink?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, I think I'll go to bed. It's pretty late, and I've had a really stressful day. So
Yeah, I'm tired as well. Yeah.
So yeah, let me show you to the room.
Okay.
Yeah. So
All right.
That's it. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So good night then.
Yeah. Good night.
Yeah.
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 No, I don't think I should call her. Her being with Anderson is better off. If I call her now, it reduces my chances of hooking up with Sam. So I'm not going to call her. I won't call.
I'm back. I hope you didn't miss me too much. Hopefully you'll behave tonight. Okay, and then there'll be no need for this. Baby, come. Shh. Stay. So what are you doing snooping around my house? What is your mission here?
Hey, Anderson, you found out. Drop your knife.
You know what they say about the stolen fly? Follows the corpse into the grave. Hey, hey! Are you okay? Hey, wait. What's it? Hey, oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Thank you for coming. Anderson is a psycho. He has another girl locked up.
Where?
In the other room. Just help me.
All right. Damn.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Did I get the right key? Okay, you know what? I'm going to try. Let me see if it's opens it. It doesn't work. I got the wrong key.
What are you doing here? You were supposed to be on your way to the hospital.
I'm fine.
Trust me, I'm okay. I just need to experience this beast to get what he deserves.
This is the end of the road for this cycle. You will pay for the pain you put my niece and Elma through.
Valentina's your niece.
Why do you think I got close to you? I have been investigating you for a while now. I gathered information about you. You were the last person to see my niece before she disappeared, and I knew you knew something.
Listen, I love her.
You love who?
Listen to me. She just refused to do what I wanted. I never intended to harm her or Elma. I just hear these voices. I have this multiple personality that just causes me to cause harm to the people.
Shut your mouth. Multiple personalities, my foot. What nonsense is that?
Psychosis. I hear voices. And they tell me to harm the woman that I love.
You know what? You will hear those voices in a psychiatric home. You don't deserve to be among sane human beings.
Okay, listen. I didn't mean to hurt you. Please. Elma, please.
Hey! Stop,
Please,
stop talking to her. Come.
Elma, please. Elma!
Thank you for coming. He's in there.
Okay. Where is he?
Oh, thank you for coming so quickly. Thank you.
We would need Valentina's statement as soon as she recovers. We also need a statement too.
That's fine. She will give a statement when she comes from the hospital. I will come if need be, testify against that guy.
Perfect.
I would also come and write my statement. Officer, please.
How have you been holding up?
Trying. I can't thank you enough.
It's nothing.
It's everything.
Look, I gotta go back to the hospital. I need to be when Valentina wakes up.
Yeah, I understand. I mean, she's been through the worst. I feel so sorry for her.
Yeah.
Yeah. It won't make any sense.
What?
I got small for me now.
You haven't told me what happened to Sam's niece.
Well, she left home one day and never returned.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Well, okay, they said she went to see her boyfriend, right? And they never found her. She never went back home. They asked the boyfriend, he said, she came there with her, but when she came, she briefly left. She didn't stay too long. And that he didn't know her whereabouts.
They should arrest that guy sharp.
Exactly what I said. He knows about it.
Of course now.
But they investigated. They said they found some evidence that showed that, he was telling the truth, that she left briefly. Sam heard, but he was out of the country when all of this happened. And then he vowed that once he returned, he was going to look for her. He returned, started looking for her, and he's still been looking for her. His effort has been futile.
So loud.
He loud, he choke.
I didn't even realize she was his second victim. That guy dehumanized her. I couldn't even recognize her after I saw her.
He will pay for what he's done to you too. Where's Olivia, Sharon?
Honestly, I haven't seen her since I got here.
Lovebirds. So you people don't even hide to do it anymore. You now do it in public.
I can see you've been out living your best life. I could have died. And you wouldn't even notice. So much for being a best friend. You never cared about me. You were never concerned about me. It's fine.
You know what? What is it with you? Your friend was kidnapped, held against the will for days. And here you are. You didn't even notice. Instead, you're engulfed in your jealousy.
Wait. What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? You need to apologize to her. You know, all this you're doing, it's not cool. Excuse
Wait,
you.
what was kidnapped? Alma, I'm sorry, okay? I'm really sorry. I didn't know what you were going through. I didn't know you were going through hell and I was here burning in jealousy. I'm sorry, please.
I can't just believe your attitude. You're meant to be my best friend. I don't understand.
Nothing can justify what I did. I'm sorry. Please help. Just forgive me, please.
Don't give me that face.
Sorry. Thank you. But wait though. This life is awful. Like who would have thought? So Anderson is actually the devil's incarnate. I didn't even know anything like that was happening.
Anderson.
And then he was Valentina's ex? Who would have, I didn't know.
Anderson. Honestly, I'm just very thankful right now. But you know, Sam didn't mention anything. But to be honest, if he had, I would not have believed him. I would have just thought he was trying to get me to just break up with Anderson for his own selfish reasons.
That's why he had been telling you not to be with him on a long now.
I swear.
Babes, I'm so glad that you're back.
It's okay.
Have you eaten? What would you like to have? I'm ready to pound yam for you. Anything.
I want pounded yam.
Oh my God. I beg, just rest there. I'll come back and check up on you.
Thanks, babe.
Sorry, eh? I'm so happy Valentina has been found. And alive too.
Yeah.
Good to have you back.
Thank you very much.
She insisted on seeing Alma before going home.
Okay, let me help you get her. Okay? All right. Be comfortable. Alma.
All right?
Thank you very much.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you so much for coming to my rescue.
That was brave of you.
Don't thank me, please. Thank him. He rescued us. But you put your life at risk just for my sake.
I mean, look at you. I'm just glad you're healed and hearty.
Yeah, I'm quite well. I started a session with the therapist to help me cope with the PTSD.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Please sit down. Sit down.
Can we talk?
Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, okay, come.
Yeah.
Just make yourself comfortable,
Yeah,
alright? I'll be down.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. So I will be going back at the end of the month.
Why? You literally just moved to Lagos. Why are you leaving so soon?
Well, I'm done with what I came to do, so we're going back to Abuja.
Why?
Shouldn't I? I mean, there's nothing keeping me here.
Okay. If you say so.
If you don't want me to go, I mean, you could stay if you think there's a chance that we could.
Don't go.
I will stay for you. So officially, we're back together.
We are back together, right?
Yes.